Here we're going to send an email to the editor to advise that you are currently uploading the photographs to the server. We would like you to send this email as soon as the photographs are starting to be uploaded to the server. The editor will check that the number of photos on the server is what you have stipulated in the email that you're about to send. Once the photographs have reached the quantity on the server, they will then proceed to download the photographs and edit them for us. To send a edit request email to the editor, you need to go into the job in the database. So find the job in the database and the job form will appear. Then you click on the little dot under the camera button. When you click on that, a dialog box will appear. You have a chance to attach a file here if necessary, but usually the case is you don't need to, so you just click on Next. You are presented with a set of questions. It is very important to answer all the questions. If the job has been held on more than one day, there will be additional questions on this page. Read every question, read all the help text, and answer the questions as accurately as you can. The figures that you put in on this form are actually used as a cross-check at the end of the job to make sure that the editor has downloaded all the photographs, edited as many as possible, and then uploaded all the good photographs. So it's a cross-check system, so it's very, very important to put the right figure here. First question is set deadline for editing. Now this will default to 24 hours after the event was held, because we actually promise to our clients that we will have the photographs edited and uploaded to our website 24 hours after the event was held. So the photographer and the editor need to do their job promptly and quickly for us to meet that deadline. The next question is this the final lot of photos for this job? Now, if this photo shoot that you're doing for us, or you and another photographer are doing, is more than one day, if this is not the final lot of photos, you would leave the default as no. If this is the final lot of photos, if this is the last day of the photo shoot, or the one and only day of the photo shoot, you would change this toggle to yes. To answer the next question, how many photos have you uploaded to the FTP site in total for this job? You need to count the number of photos in the folder that you've created on your computer and copied to the server. In that folder may be a few subfolders for different teams or different sessions of the event. You need to add up all the quantities in those subfolders to create a total. Just say I had 120 photos in total in all the subfolders that I am copying to the server. That's the figure I would put there. Then I'll click on Next. The email that is presented to you has an email address for the recipient. Usually you'll see here the editor assigned to the job, so you might have Joanne's email address, and you also should have the job leader's email address there, which would usually be somebody from our head office like Natalie or Belinda, for example. So the email addresses should be populated there already. If there's not, and you can see no consultant created as an editor for the job in the database, you need to contact head office for us. Now just read the content of the email and update it. The areas in red is what you should update. So just say you've uploaded a folder to the server called Natalie's Test. That's how you would update that. 120 is the number I put in on the previous screen, as put it there automatically. Just double check that that's correct, and then you can send the email. Just press submit, and you'll see the screen refresh, and a tick will appear under the camera button. Now if this was the first photo day of a few, next time you come in, after you would have had your first photo day, you would have uploaded the photographs, you would have already got a tick under the camera button, and then you've done the second photo shoot. You would come in here again and press that dot there, or rather the tick there, and do the same and send the email again. So if we do that, I'll show you what happens. I've just clicked on the tick again, so this is the second photo day. Click on Next again, and so now there's more questions there to answer. Once again, you've got your deadline for editing, which will default to 24 hours after the event was held. This may be the final lot of photos this time because maybe just a 2-day event, so you would click on yes there. Then you would actually put in a number here of the total photos that you're uploading today. Certainly read these questions. There have already been images uploaded for this job. Do you wish to add to the existing value? The answer will be usually yes. And you put in today's quantity, which might be 196, for example. You want to send another email. You don't want to send the old one. You want to send a new one to the editor and go on next. Once again, it's auto-populated with the editor and usually the job leader's email address in there. And you'll come here, edit this folder. This might be called day 2. And we might have 196 now. And click on submit. You send the email again. That's how you do it, and the screen should refresh again and the tick should still be there. Thank you.